In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to keep Microsoft Teams status always available. To get started, open your Microsoft Teams account. Once you're inside Teams, head to the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile icon. This will open a small drop-down menu where you can view your current status. If your status is not already set to available, click on the status option and then choose available from the drop-down list. This is the main setting you need to adjust if you want other people in Teams to see that you're active and reachable. Now, it's important to understand that setting your status to available does not always mean it will stay that way indefinitely. Microsoft Teams can automatically change your status based on your device activity. So if you want to stay available for longer, there are two key things to keep in mind. First, make sure your computer does not go to sleep. If your device enters sleep mode, Teams may switch your status automatically. Second, try to remain active on your device. That activity can be inside Teams itself or in other apps on your computer. In other words, Teams looks at whether your device is actively being used, so staying active helps keep that available status visible for longer. You also have the option to set a status message, which can be useful if you want to give people a little more context while your status is showing as available. To do that, click on Set Status Message. A text field will appear where you can type whatever message you want displayed. After entering your message, look for the drop-down field underneath Clear Status Message. After, click that drop-down and select how long you want the message to remain visible. The available options include never, today, 1 hour, 4 hours, or this week. Choose the timing that works best for you, and then click Done to save it. The status message is separate from your actual availability setting, but it can be a helpful way to communicate whether you're working, checking messages, or generally available during a certain period. Once you've set your status to available, and, if needed, added a status message, you're all set. That's all it takes to keep your Microsoft Teams status available, while also making sure your setup supports it for as long as possible.